Hello, my name is Courtland Merkel, and I'm an attorney with Maryland Volunteer Lawyers Service. I mostly focus on housing and consumer related issues, and today I want to talk to you about earned wage access. What it is, what it means for you, what are some of the downsides, what are some of the upsides. Let's get right into it. Some employers understand that it can be challenging to wait for your paycheck every week or every 2 weeks, particularly when unexpected expenses pop up. To help with that, they offer products known as earned wage access. This can be a helpful short term solution and to get cash quickly. But it's important to understand that there are some potential downsides that can affect your budgeting and long term financial goals. Earned wage access, otherwise known as EWA, allows employees to access their wages that they have earned before their actual payday. There are two types of EWAs. The first is employer provided, that is directly offered by your employer as an employee benefit. The next is a third party EWA, which is provided by an independent company that's not your employer. Both types allow access to wages that you've already earned but haven't yet been paid. If you use the employer provided option, the money you withdraw will be deducted from your upcoming paycheck. If you choose a third party service, repayment is typically done through a direct debit from your bank account. When you use these services, there is a cost, and it can vary between the different types of EWAs. Some employers offer these services for free, but a third party would charge services, transaction fees, and some may even ask for a tip. It's crucial to keep in mind that these fees can sometimes be incredibly high, as much as, you can even have interest rates on these fees, and these interest rates can go up to 300%. That's more than you would expect for a payday loan. In fact, some of these fees might even be considered illegal under Maryland state law. It's important to understand your current financial your current financial health, because as when relying on EWAs, even though they can help in an emergency, there's a risk of falling into a cycle of borrowing. You can find yourself taking money early every pay period, leaving you with a smaller and smaller paycheck each time. This cycle can become unsustainable, causing you to borrow more or even overdraft your account to cover the bills. If you're using a EWA service and you have some concern about the legality of the fees, you can reach out to the Office of Financial Regulation to have the terms reviewed. They oversee entities that extend credit, including advances like EWAs. You can give them an email at csu.complaints@maryland.gov, or you can give them a call at 410 230 6077 for more information. Thank you for listening. I hope that this presentation has provided you with a little bit more information about earned wages access and what you need to look out for to avoid going into a cycle of borrowing, but also to really keep in mind that you're not getting taken advantage by unfair fees. Thank you and have a great day.